Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbot143. You are watching Google Classroom tutorials. In video, I will show you how to add material on Google Classroom. Suppose you want to share study material to your students. Open the Classroom. On top menu, click on Classwork. Here we can find Create. Click on this. We will get a drop-down menu. In this, click on Topic, where we can add a heading for our material and click on Add. Similarly, let's create one more topic. Notice that in right side of each topic heading, we will get 3 dots, which helps to edit these topics. We can rearrange these topics order. For example, if you want to move Linux below the Windows, select to move down. Also, by holding a left mouse button, we can drag the topics to change their order. After this, let's add the material. Again, click on Create. This time, please select to Material. Enter a title for your topic. And also enter the description if required. Come to right side pane. Here select which class you want to show. Here we have only one classroom. Similarly, we can select the students. We can select to all the students or individual students and select the topic it belongs to. Not only this, we can create the material like documents, slides, sheets, drawings and forms right here itself, or we can add the material from Google Drive or link to specific web page, file from our local computer, and even the video from YouTube. I want to add a PDF file. Click on File. Come to Upload. Let's browse the file. On desktop, I have the PDF file. I'm selecting that. Click on Open. And finally, we can click on Post. But if you want to schedule this to appear this to the students on specific date and time, click on the arrow. Here we can select to schedule. And if you want to save this as draft to post it later, please select to save as draft. And we can also click on discard the draft to delete this material completely. Now I want to post this, so I'm selecting post. And the students can view this material under Windows topic. After this, let's add a PowerPoint slide under Linux. Again, click on Create. Come to Material. Select the students. This time I want to select only Minchu Nageshwar. That is one student. And topic, select to Linux and click on Post. Here one thing, remember that whatever we post, automatically those can be saved onto our Google Drive. After this, let's see this in Students ID. In another browser, I want to sign in with one of my students' ID. Come to Google Classroom. Open the Classroom. And they will get a notification. They can click on it to view them. Also, students can print this document. And not only this, they can download this material if they want to view them later. Like this, we can add the material on Google Classroom. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and share this video with your friends. ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.